Exercise first. Conjunctions. Use of conjunctions. Unsolved exercise. When I was young, ਇੱਥੇ ਆਊਗਾ when I was young I used to travel a lot, but now I am old and ਇੱਥੇ ਐਂਡ ਆਊਗਾ ਬਈ and it is difficult for me to show as much zeal as I had in my youth. While I can still do many things, there are certain things which ਜਾਂ that ਵੀ ਲਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ are beyond my reach now. Exercise second. No sooner did I reach the station then the train left. I do not know how it happened with me when I narrated the incident to my mother. She was disappointed to hear it. When I was coming back to my house, I met a stranger who was carrying a basket with him. I tried to talk to him. I tried to talk to him. What? He gave no response. Exercise third. Music is said to be food for the soul. Not only ਇੱਥੇ ਆਊਗਾ not only does it give relaxation to our mind, what also not only ਦੇ ਨਾਲ but also ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ help us to forget our sorrows and worries of day to day life. There is no aspect of life where we do not find it. There is hardly any party or function where music is not played. What we must enjoy it to forget our pains for some time. Education has become a part of everybody's life. There is not even a single field where education has not left its mark. The day is not far when everybody would like to drink deep from its ocean. What the need of the hour is to spread education in every nook and corner till nobody is left without its mark. One day when I went to my friend's house. One day when I went to my friend's house, I was surprised to see a man who was wearing nothing. When I asked him the reason, he tried to avoid me. What? I did not stop and asked him again. After some time, he told me the reason behind it. While he was telling me a sad episode that had happened, that ਇੱਥੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਬਈ, that ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ had happened with him 2 days earlier. अर्लीयर ला लो, बिफोर ला लो, ਜਾਂ ਅਗੋ ਵੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, AGO ਅਗੋ. I started weeping when I heard his woeful tale.